guys, Zoe here. Christmas decorations are stable in holiday retail, so let's get ready to boost your holiday sales with our exclusive Christmas plans. Let's kick off with the first one, plastic Christmas balls. We offer a wide range of vibrant colors, silver, gold, red, and green. Our plastic ornaments are ideal for bulk purchases, allowing you to provide your customers cost-effective yet high-quality holiday decorations. Next up is a lantern light. Our lights combine the charm of traditional candles with the safety and convenience of modern LED lighting. They add a warm, cozy atmosphere to any holiday setting, indoors or outdoors. The third item is all about Christmas stocking and sock. Linen for flap and chopping. Linen ones are not only durable but also breathable, making them a great choice for sustainable marquees. Fourth, flap one offers the traditional flap texture with enhanced durability and affordability. Chopping one stands out with its ultra soft texture. All of them can be hung on your Christmas tree. Next up is the photo frames. We provide you photo block and photo panel with an LED base. The image on the glass is clear, beautiful, and waterproof. It's nice for home decor and as a night light. Next is a linen pad bumper. It's filled with PP cotton, a breathable surface for a pad to provide an ideal sleeping environment. This pillowcase is also made of linen material. You will feel a good touch sense when you hold the pillowcase. And linen material is a perfect choice for sublimation. I really like this printing result. These are various shapes of ornaments. We have bell shape and snowflower shape. There's no better way to showcase those truly special people in your life than with this photo ornament. I really love that one. Teddy bear is a very popular gift for children in the market. Print image on the polyester t-shirt to show children's own style. Don't miss out on these Christmas top-selling blanks. Visit our website and contact us today to place your order, making this Christmas your most successful season yet. And Zoe from LOPO. See you next time!